Today we are going to cover the next topic of digital logic, that is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra used for describing and designing systems of two-valued state variables. Let me explain this in simple words. Two-valued state variables means 0 and 1. Okay, these are the two-valued state variables. Okay, so the digital logic, the digital system uses 0 and 1 to operate, and this characteristics of digital logic allows to use logical equations, and these logical equations are known as Boolean algebra. Okay, in Boolean algebra there are three types of operations. Okay, the first one is logical addition. Okay, logical addition. Okay, this is denoted by the circuit AND operator, AND operation, OR operation. Okay, the second one is there are three types of basic functions, basic operations. Three types of basic operations are there in Boolean algebra. First one is logical addition, second one is logical multiplication denoted by dot, and circuit AND operation. Okay, AND operation. Okay, now the third one is logical inversion. Okay, logical inversion denoted by NOT. Okay, या फिर ऐसे भी हम नॉट लिखते हैं, ऐसे भी नॉट लिखते हैं, बार above this या फिर नॉट. ओके, these are not. तो इस हम लिखते हैं and this is, and here we are using not operation. ओके, तो और ऑपरेशन कैसा होता है? this is OR operator, AND operator, this is AND operator. Okay, and NOT operator, just one inverter, one NOT is there. Okay, so these are the three things, three operations, the three basic operations in Boolean algebra. Okay, now we'll see some postulates. Postulates are like something that is accepted as true. जैसे कि in maths there are axioms ना. Similarly in digital logic, in Boolean algebra there are postulates. Postulates मतलब वो सारे functions जो कि that is accepted as true, and we can use that in proving some theories or solving sums. उसमें हम use कर सकते हैं. We can use that postulates. Okay, now we'll see this. So there are some postulates. As I told you, postulates are like axiom that is accepted as true. So we can use that postulates for proving any theorem and solving any in Boolean algebra we are using postulates. So for solving any sum, for proving any theorems, we can use that postulates. Okay, now see this. These are the postulates. It means there is a set A, okay, which has that consisting of elements A, B, C, dot dot dot, many elements are there together with two binary operations, that is dot मतलब AND operation and OR operation, मतलब multiplication, logical multiplication and logical addition to form a Boolean algebra. Okay, form a Boolean algebra if and only if these postulates, there are 6 postulates, these postulates hold, then only it will be it can form Boolean algebra. Okay, so first one we'll see. First one is there is a closure with respect to dot and plus, matlab there is a closure with respect to logical multiplication and logical addition, that is for all A, B belongs to A. Okay, for all A, B belongs to a set A, we obtain a unique C belongs to A. Okay, so example we'll see. C is equal to A plus B. लॉजिकल और ऑपरेशन के लिए, दैट इज लॉजिकल एडिशन ऑपरेटर के लिए C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी, एंड इट होल्ड्स दैट लॉजिकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑल्सो. सो एंड C इज इक्वल टू A इंटू B, मतलब A एंड B. ओके, so A और B, C is equal to A or B and C is equal to A and B. Okay, Now next one, this one is first postulates. Okay, second postulate we'll see, there exist identity element. Okay, there exists in set A one identity element 0 and 1 with respect to logical addition and logical multiplication. तो कैसे होता है identity, will say identity elements A plus 0 is equal to A. Okay, and A multiplied A and 1 is equal to A. मतलब A और 0 is equal to A and A and 1 is equal to A. मतलब we are adding 0. A से जब भी हम add करेंगे 0 we'll get A and A में we'll multiply 1 we'll get A. Okay. Next one, the third one. The third postulate says that logical addition मतलब logical OR operation and logical multiplication. Logical addition and logical multiplications are commutative. ठीक है, वो कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड करता है, दैट इज a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए एंड a मल्टीप्लाइड बाई बी इज इक्वल टू b मल्टीप्लाइड बाई ए. ओके, तो फोर्थ वन, लॉजिकल एडिशन एंड लॉजिकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. इट मीन्स a में व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग a b प्लस c, सो इट विल a इंटू बी. ओके, a इंटू बी एंड प्लस a इंटू सी. ओके, नाउ अगर in case of Boolean algebra, when we are adding a and a plus b dot c, it will the value will be a plus b and a plus c. Okay, so this one, these are 4 postulates. Now fifth one we'll see. Fifth one, for each element a belongs to set A. Okay, there exists a dash, that is complement of a. This is also denoted as a bar. ठीक है, तो this is complement of a. Okay, तो this is also written like a dash भी हम लिख सकते हैं, a bar भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so that is a मतलब inverse of a. तो a को छोड़ के whatever is there that comes under a dash. Okay, so there exists a dash belongs to, there exists a inverse belongs to this a, capital A मतलब set A, such that a plus a bar मतलब a plus not a, we can say a plus not a will be equal to 1. Okay, so when we are adding a with everything that is not in a, okay, like set में हम भी देख सकते हैं, like this is a, okay, a set, universal set. Okay, this is a, तो a dash क्या होगा, whatever is not in a के बाहर का सारी चीज़ें will comes under capital A dash. Okay, a dash. So when we are adding a and a dash we'll get universal मतलब 1. Okay, so that's why a plus a dash, a plus inverse of a is equal to 1. And when we are multiplying this now, a into inverse of a, that will be 0. Okay, because we are multiplying, multiplication मतलब and operator, and operation whenever we are doing na two set में there should be some common point, then only there should be common point मतलब a and a dash, a and b अगर हम a and b करते हैं, operator and operator, so there is something that is both, that is there in both a and b, so that comes that will be the answer. Okay, but in case of a and a dash, a and inverse of a, there is nothing common, nothing will be common, so a into a dash, a into inverse of a will be equal to 0, always 0. Okay, now last one, the sixth one, there exist at least 2 elements a b that belongs to set A such that A is not equal to B. So at least 2 elements ऐसे होंगे किसी भी set में जो कि equal ना हो, right? So these are some postulates for proving all theorems. Will use these postulates. Okay. Now we'll see Boolean algebra identities. The first theorem is x plus x is equal to x. Now we have to prove this. So LHS is equal to x plus x. Okay. Now as we know that whenever we are multiplying anything with 1, we'll get the same result. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do? We are multiplying this by 1. No change. Okay. Now we know that x plus x bar मतलब inverse of x will be 1. Okay, हमने देखा था, we have seen in postulate fifth postulate we have seen when we are multiplying anything with its inverse, we are adding anything by its inverse, we'll get 1. मतलब a plus a inverse, a plus a bar, a plus a dash will be equal to 1. So can we write 1 की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं ना x plus x inverse. So it will be x into x, that is x, actually x into x, we can write x directly, x into x bar. So as we know that x into x bar by postulate 5, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 0, that is equal to x, that is RHS. Okay. So similarly we'll do all the postulates, we'll see all the theorems will prove. The second one, x dot x is equal to x, we have to prove. Okay, LHS is x dot x. Okay, now what we can do, we can by adding 0 there will be no change. Okay, and because a plus 0 will be equal to a, so when we are adding 0 there will be no change, it will be there. Okay, now as we know that this is x into x. Okay, and 0 का मतलब क्या होता है x into x bar. Okay, so now what will the value, x हम common लेंगे, x plus x bar, and we have to prove this one na, x plus x bar is equal to 0. So x 1, so this will be equal to 1, x RHS. ठीक है, so hence proved. The second one, the third theorem is x plus 1 is equal to 1. How x plus 1 is equal to 1? So we'll prove here LHS is equal to x plus 1. So 1 को हम क्या करेंगे, can we write 1? Can we write like this, x plus 1 into 1, there will be no change. Okay, and x plus 1 into 1 को can we write like this, x plus x bar, that will be equal to 1 na, we have seen in postulates. Okay, and directly we can use because postulates are something that is accepted as true. Okay, so now next one, what will be value, x into x plus x bar dot 1 होगा ना, so it will be equal to x plus x bar. Okay, and x plus x bar is equal to 1, RHS, hence proved. Okay, so similarly we'll see the next one. So these are Boolean algebra identities. This is for addition operator, means logical addition. These are for logical multiplication. So we'll see x plus 0. These are all theorems you can prove. You can also try it at home. These are very easy by using postulates. जैसे हमने theorems को prove किया ना, by using postulates you can do that. Okay. Now the first one, x plus 0 is equal to x. When we are adding 0 to x, we'll get x. Okay, x plus 1 will be equal to 1. Okay, so first one, x plus 0 will be equal to x, identity, and x bar this multiplication हम बाद में देखते हैं. Okay, so x plus 1 will be equal to 1. Okay, मतलब 1 is universal matter, universal set. Okay, तो universal set है. When we are adding anything to universal set, that will be universal set only. Okay, so there will be no change. So x plus 1 will be equal to 1. X plus x will be equal to x. X plus inverse of x, मतलब x plus x dash x bar will be equal to 1. Okay, and x plus y is this is commutative property ये show करता है. So x plus y will be equal to y plus x. X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Okay, so this is showing associative property. Okay, now distributive property भी वो show करता है. So x into y plus z will be equal to xy and xz. Okay, xy and xz. Okay, and now sum of x plus y whole bar, मतलब not of x plus y will be equal to x bar and y bar, मतलब x bar into y bar. Okay, not of x into not of y. Okay, now for logical multiplication we'll see x bar मतलब not of x naught. या बार ऑफ एक्स बार, ओके, मतलब वन नॉट एंड अनदर नॉट, टू नॉट्स हम लगाते हैं तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू एक्स, ओके. X, whenever we are multiplying x by 0, we'll get 0, okay. 0, and x into 1 will be x. Yeah, we have seen this in postulate, and that is showing identity, okay. X plus 0 is equal to x, x multiplied by 1 is equal to x, okay. X into x, x plus x is also x, x multiplied by x will be x, okay. X plus x bar क्या होता था? 1, and x into x bar will be 0, okay, because x bar is the something different जो कि x में है, that is not there in x bar, okay, completely different thing, that is not in x, not x मतलब x inverse जो x में है that will be not in there x bar, okay. So x into x bar मतलब and operator we are using, okay. तो and operator में there should be one common point जो कि that will be the answer, but there will be no common point because x and x bar that is completely different, जो कि x में है x bar में नहीं होगा. So whenever we are multiplying two different things जिसमें there is no common point, we'll get 0, okay. Now x into yz will be equal to x into y into z, okay, and this one x y yx, commutative property. Now x, this is also distributive, okay, x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z, okay. So these are some Boolean algebra identities. Now we'll see this, we'll see next. So Boolean function is given, f is equal to x plus y dash not of y into z, मतलब y bar into z, okay. So we have to draw the circuit and truth table, हमें logical diagram and truth table we have to do, okay. So first of all, f will be equal to 1 if and only if या तो x is equal to 1 होगा, okay. If x is equal to x is equal to 0 and if x is equal to 1 or y bar z is equal to 1, ठीक है, मतलब या तो x 1 हो या फिर y bar z 1 होगा, then only f का वैल्यू 1 होगा, okay. So now we'll see, we'll draw the diagram, okay. X, y, z, three things are there, okay. X यहाँ पे है and y bar, so y bar, okay, not y हमने लिया, and z, ठीक है. तो z into not y bar and z का and operator you know. So since y bar is there, so हमने y का not लिया. Now we have to multiply this by z. So we have taken one point. There are three inputs x, y, z. So not of y is, this will become not of y, y bar, and ये तो z है. तो ये जो output होगा, we have to multiply y bar and z. तो and operator will use and operator, so it will become y bar and z. ठीक है. So what we have to do, we have to add x. Okay. x को हम add करेंगे, then we'll get the output f. Okay. So x यहाँ है, we have to add, मतलब logical addition. Logical addition मतलब logical addition operator is OR operator. So यहाँ पे will apply OR operator and we'll get f. Okay. Because this is x. When we'll add this, we'll get x. ठीक है. So this is what? This is logic diagram. ठीक है. And now we'll see the truth table. Truth table for this one. Okay. How? X, y, z. Three inputs are there. One output is there. F. Okay. So 3 है, तो how many numbers can be there? How many output? 3 variables are there. So how many numbers are there? 0, 0, 8. Because 2 to the power 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 variables are there. 3 input variables are there. So there will be how many inputs? 8 inputs. Why? Because 2 to the power 3. 3 inputs variable. 3 input variables are there. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So 8 inputs will be there. Okay. 0, 0, 1. Okay. 0 1 0 एंड 0 1 1, ठीक है, एंड 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 एंड 1 1 1, ठीक है, ये सारे हैं. नाउ f का वैल्यू वी हैव टू फाइंड. व्हेन x दिस ऑल जीरो होगा तो क्या होगा? व्हेन दिस इज जीरो, दिस y इज इक्वल टू 0, सो y बार विल बी इक्वल टू 1. ओके, y बार हम बहुत सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई, दैट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. कैसे कर सकते हैं? नाउ x y z इज गिवन, सो y बार हम लेते हैं, y बार, ओके, y बार क्या होगा फॉर दिस वन? y बार 1 1 0, बिकॉज y इज 1 तो ये 0 होगा, 1 तो 0 होगा, 0 तो 1, 1 1 0 0. वाई? दिस इज 0, सो हमने 1, y बार विल बी 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. ओके, नाउ y बार डॉट x हम z, तो this into this we have to multiply this. 0 into 1 will be 0, multiply 1. When we are multiplying now, we'll get 1 only if both the inputs are 1, then only we'll get 1 in AND operator. When we are applying AND operator, यहाँ पे multiplication मतलब AND operator we are applying, तो दोनों अगर 1 रहेगा then only the answer will be 1. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 0. Okay, so we have got this one. Now x में we will add this, so we'll get f. क्या होगा? this one and this one हमें add करना है. 0, and when we are adding ना, if both are 0 ना, both the inputs are 0, then only we'll get 0, otherwise we'll get 1, because logical addition मतलब logical OR operator. When we are applying OR operator, logical OR, when both the inputs are 0, then only we'll get 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1. Okay, so this will be the answer. क्या होगा आंसर? 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. ठीक है. So similarly we have to solve all the sum whenever any Boolean function or Boolean equation given, and we have to find out the logical diagram and truth table. Okay, we'll do, if you want, we'll do another sum. So we'll do one more question. F is equal to ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar C. Okay, now first of all we can see AB common है, तो we'll simplify this. Okay, first of all we'll simplify this. A B हम कॉमन लेते हैं, तो C प्लस C बार होगा. ओके, मतलब C प्लस C बार. ओके, प्लस A बार C, तो C प्लस C बार मतलब 1. ओके, whenever we are adding anything with its inverse, we'll get 1. ओके, so A B into 1, तो A B. ओके, A B प्लस A बार C, ये होगा आंसर. नाउ F will be equal to 1 if and only if ए बी अगर 1 हो, ए बी 1 हो, और ए बार सी इज इक्वल टू 1, तभी तो होगा ना 1. ओके, नाउ सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल ड्रॉ द circuit for which one? This one. Okay, so there are 3 inputs A, B and C. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A बार C. ओके, A and B. ओके, A बार C, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A बार हमने लिया. ठीक है, एंड अनदर पॉइंट हम यहाँ से ही लेते हैं, दैट विल बी A. ठीक है, तो A B, A एंड B. सो A B मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन, लॉजिकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो लॉजिकल एंड ऑपरेटर विल यूज. दिस इज A. ओके, दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B. सो A इंटू B, B विल बी इक्वल टू A B. ओके, ये हुआ. नाउ next what we have to do, this is AB. Okay, and C, we'll do one thing. C हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. Okay, तो क्या होगा ना, C, A bar C, this is A bar and this is C, so A bar into C, again A bar into C. This is A bar and this is C. So A bar into C, and operator, logical and, logical multiplication मतलब logical and. So this will be A bar C. ठीक है. Now what we have to do? We have to add AB and this one. Okay. Addition करेंगे तो it will be like this. Okay. F. What we are doing? We are applying logical addition. Logical addition मतलब logical OR operator. Logical OR operator between A bar C and AB. Okay. तो F. ठीक है. Now we have to draw. This is what? This is logical circuit. Logical diagram. Logic diagram. Now we have to draw the we have to truth table भी हम draw करते हैं. Okay. Now 3 inputs are there. A, B, C. ठीक है. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay. Now A B and A bar C. तो A बार हमने लिया. ठीक है. सो A बार हमने लिया. तो A बार यहाँ पे A is 0 0 0 0. तो we'll write 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. तो we'll write 0 0 0 0 because A is 0. तो A bar will be 1. Okay. Now next A bar हमने लिया. Now what we'll do? A bar C. A bar C. Now A bar को हम multiply करते हैं C से. Multiplication मतलब and operator. So whenever both are true, then only the answer will be true. Both the inputs are true, the output will be true. So both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 0. ये दोनों 1 1 0 1 1. तो 1 0 again 0 0 0. ठीक है. Now A bar C तो हो गया. Now A B मतलब these two. Okay. AB both 0. AB मतलब अगेन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. लॉजिकल मल्टीप्लीकेशन मतलब लॉजिकल एंड ऑपरेटर एंड बिटवीन AB. तो बोथ शुड बी 1, देन ओनली बोथ शुड बी ट्रू, देन ओनली द आउटपुट विल बी ट्रू. ओके. तो AB 0, दिस वन 0, दिस वन 0, बोथ आर नॉट ट्रू. ओके. 0 यहाँ पे भी 0, यहाँ पे भी 0. 1 1 है, बोथ आर ट्रू, तो आउटपुट विल बी 1. बोथ आर 1, देन आउटपुट विल बी 1. अगर C लॉजिकल एंड ऑपरेटर मतलब बोथ द इनपुट शुड बी 1, देन ओनली विल गेट आउटपुट 1. ओके. नाउ A bar C एंड A B हमने कर लिया. सो F इज व्हाट? एडिशन ऑफ दीज टू. एडिशन मतलब एनी वन, बोथ द इनपुट्स आर 0, देन ओनली विल गेट 0, अदरवाइज विल गेट 1. मतलब बोथ द इनपुट्स आर फॉल्स, देन ओनली विल गेट फॉल्स, बाकी सारे ट्रू रहेंगे. मतलब 0 + 1 विल बी 1. ओके. ओनली 0 + 0 ही 0 होगा. तो ये होगा 1 0 + 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. ओके. सो आंसर क्या होगा हमारा? दिस वन. ओके. ऐसा होगा. ओके. वन मोर सम विल डू दिस वन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट विल डू? विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस. तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे तो A bar B. Now what we'll do? AB कॉमन है ना, so again we'll take AB कॉमन. C bar plus C. C bar plus C will be 1. Okay. So the answer will be A bar B plus AB because C bar plus C will be 1. Okay. So plus AB. ठीक है. Now again B कॉमन we can take. B हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं. ओके. लाइक B हम इधर कॉमन ले लेते हैं. ओके. A bar plus A bar plus A. Again A bar plus A is equal to 1. So the answer will be B. Okay. So F is equal to B. Okay. So only no need to C and A के लिए तो we don't need any input A and C because we are not using anywhere. Okay. A B C. Okay. 3 inputs are there. So the answer is this one only, F, because B is equal to F. Okay. So logical truth table क्या होगा? Only B is required. Okay. A B C हम लिखते भी हैं. So हम क्या 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, that is not required to write. But if we have written like this, and 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. ठीक है. So B is equal to F, मतलब F is equal to B. So directly we'll write whatever is there in B. So 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. That's it. I hope you understood the concept of Boolean algebra. Okay, Boolean algebra identities also you have understood, and you understood. I hope you understood how to do the sum. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.